Hello, boys and girls. I hope everybody is doing well. This is the first time I'm using this application, so bear with me. But if all goes well, we'll get through this recording. So I'm going to show you just a few steps on logging into your Shobi account. Ms. Vitali has sent you a personalized email, to your parents, with your sign-in name and your passcode. So once you log in, you're going to see your regular class list. Now you're going to see Miss Vitali's, okay? Madame Vargas, Madame Delage, and Madame Rimonti will be providing you with a class code. This is going to be a class code that is titled as Enseignement à distance, which is I have 201, 202, and 203. So depending on which class you are in, you're going to get the code according to that. To add the code, boys and girls, you go to the little tool, you add new class. Well, that's for Ms. Vitali, but you should just automatically have a code box, which is similar to here. You add that code, and then you will have access to everything. Okay? That being said, we've divided it up differently, but basically, each of your French teachers will have a planification de la semaine, les évaluations, a section for English, les mathématiques, et le français. You can click inside each folder, and you're going to find your activities. Okay, boys and girls, this is very similar to what you do in class. It's just now you're going to be doing this at home. We would like to communicate with you not via Portail because it becomes too much when we have to answer questions here and there. We have provided you a specific time that we are accessible through groups, through blogging. Boys and girls, you know this. Moms and dads, if you've already signed up to the blogging groups, you have an idea of where to find it. The top left corner, or it might be at the bottom left corner for you, depending if you use it on your iPad or your computer, you will click on groups. Once you click on groups, Ms. Vitali here has all of your groups, okay? This is for our Geronimo blogging. So when you're going to have to do your Geronimo blogging, you just go back into your regular blogging groups. Although, Ms. Vitali has stated, for example, that every single day, Monday to Friday, I am available from 10:30 to 11:30 to answer any questions. I will be providing you the code. The code is 85DBH. I will write that out. Don't worry about that. But you will have to add this in groups. You go again to the tool. You go join a group. You put the code in, okay? And then you are going to have access to my blogging group, which is to ask questions. Madame Rimonti, Madame Vargas, and Madame Delage have also created a group. We will provide you with those passcodes, and you will be able to have access to our conversation. Parents, for example, during this time, you can scroll to see if a question has already been asked that is similar to yours, and then you can not necessarily ask it again. Boys and girls, if you have a question that you want directed to me because you don't necessarily understand a topic or a question, you can ask me Monday to Friday from 10:30 to 11:30. Your French teachers have also provided you specific times, so make sure you keep an eye on those times so that you can communicate with us when need be. Okay, so this is for Shobi. In terms of IXL, I would just like to make clear that you can sign up on a regular computer. I am just going to sign myself out so that you can understand. In IXL, you do not require the .com at the end of your sign-in, your username, sorry. So for example, Ms. Vitali's is vitaliv@Sainte-Anne. Moms and dads, there is no .com. So the way that I have formatted it in the email is the way that you have to write it out. Afterwards, I have provided you with your password. Once you get your password, you just click sign in and you're going to have access to your account. Ms. Vitali's is a teacher account, so really yours will look like this. Okay? and you're going to have access to all of the activities that you've already done in class, okay? So you don't necessarily have to do them again. And I will be telling you any other activities that need to be completed while you are home, okay? If you have any questions about usernames or passwords, please direct them to me, as I am the one who has sent you, the emails about that. And we have designated ourselves for certain times and certain activities. Everything is going to be informed to you. There is no stress. It's just as if you are in class, but you're doing it from home. Okay? So mums and dads, all the best. Stay safe. Boys and girls, I'll miss you during this time. And I really, really, truly hope to see you soon. Okay? Bye-bye.